Rain chains. How they work and why you need one.
Dear friends, a rain chain is a beautiful and functional alternative to a traditional downspout. Instead of enclosed pipes, it uses a chain or a series of decorative cups to guide rainwater from the roof to the ground. The purpose of a rain chain is to control the flow of rainwater in a gentle and visually appealing way. As water travels down the chain, it slows down and follows a steady path, preventing soil erosion around the house. Rain chains also help reduce splashing and direct water safely into a drain, barrel, or garden bed. They are especially useful in homes where downspouts look bulky or do not match the exterior design. Apart from functionality, rain chains add charm and enhance the look of the house. They create a soothing sound during rainfall, making your outdoor space more peaceful and attractive. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.